Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing Solus Prime from the Transformers Age of Primes. I got this in a 2-pack for Christmas, which I showed y'all if y'all watched the Christmas video. But, let's get her unboxed. I was having a hard time to decide, so I phoned a friend. And she chose this one. So, because the Slingshot, which I'll do next. And I might, if I have enough money, afford it once I get all the Constructicons for it. Alright, Solus is out of the box. There she is. Well, yeah, yes, if you're wondering, Solus Prime is a girl. I think. We'll be going where the rest of the Age of Primes are. Please tell me that's stable. So now, I have 4 out of the 13 original primes. Planning on getting more primes if they release all 13. Okay, there's that. Alright, there's all the pieces. Look at how good this looks, though. This figure looks good. It's a little small. Neat articulation. But you're not here for the art, for the facts. We're here for the fun. Alright, so I'm gonna assemble the hammer real quick. Put you on like that. And there we go. How do I slip this on? Oh, I see how that works. So you want to put this one through like this. And then you want to put this top part on. If it will let me, which it will. If you're wondering, this is the Forge of Solus Prime, a hammer that could create anything, basically. Alright, well, where did it go? Alright, enough fidgeting with the hammer. Let's get into what really matters in the video. Let's get into what really matters. Alright, so we're gonna put her back how she was, like this. Remove that. Is this supposed to pull? Oh, and I had this figure for like one day, and it's already falling apart, yet I just unboxed it. There we go. Fixed. Alright. Now, we flip her head back in, like so. Then I break it a bit more, like usual. Everything in my whole collection, like this. Okay, why won't you stay in? It's like real frustrating here. Is that why you're not staying in? It's because you're not in the hole correctly? I don't think that is. I don't know. Alright, now you're in the hole. I hope. What in the age of crimes is this? I do a 180 of that. Does this rotate normal? Or does this have to be a rotate? Oh, this can rotate itself. Make sure not to break this thing. And then you want to bring this out. We're gonna transform that down here like this. Wait, what did I just do that for? And then I rotate her waist like this to where I now pull this out like this. Alright. Alright, so and great. A flipping great. God, just go in already. What sucks more is I have to be. This has to be all on. I hope. Is it? Is it on my little line? I can't tell. Chad, I can't. Guys, I can't tell. This looks so weird. This looks wrong. And I can't tell if it is or not. Alright, so it's just straight and then I just curl this up like this. This thing is so difficult to transform. Why did I decide to do her? Wait, no, why did I? Okay, fair. Okay, just gotta maneuver carefully to this one. Alright. It's rotating. Rotate. Okay, I feel some. Hold on. I feel some. Fact is, this thing's so flipping stiff. Alright. This looks right, I can't tell. There's the fuse to connect. There we go. Now it's connected, I hope. Right, finally, that's done. Now we can move on to this. So yeah, this figure is a bit difficult to transform than the other ones, I have to admit. Because of, I'm not sure why. Considering how the other ones were easier. Either that or these manuals need to be more specific on what parts. Either that or this figure is just faulty and I just got... Alright, so I need to rotate these fans like this. So these parts up here, as high as I can. So like right here is where they need to be, like this. Yeah, sorry if this is taking so long. Alright. I think that's supposed to go like that. Like this. Alright. Okay, what now? With this, wait, did I just do something? What the heck? Okay, what is this flap I'm having to fight? Ah, I skipped a step. Alright, so we're gonna move back to this step. Right here. Right to this one. Correct, this is the step I needed. And then rotate that. Move this like this. I feel like this because I can't tell. Lower. This video is gonna take a while, ain't it? What did I break? I broke some. Somewhere I broke some. There we go. Like that. Okay. I think I got it. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Who knows? Alright. Is there anything... This feels like... This looks and feels completely wrong. Well, there goes that piece. Pain in the to plug in because I gotta plug it in right there. So here's what we got so far, chat. It looks like a mess. Because Solus decides to scan the most craziest truck I've ever seen. I thought Primal was hard to transform. Okay. Out of every Transformer character I've had. This one's gotta be the most hardest I've transformed. I've never transformed something like this before. It's like this hard to deal with. You know what this is gonna have to do, chat? This might actually have to do. Unfortunately. Does it look messed up? Yes. Will I fix it in the future? Probably so, yeah. But here's the alt mode. Have a good one. Like and subscribe, please, because I need subs. See y'all in the next one.